Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious steak fried rice recipe. This is a very easy meal to make, but it's so delicious and flavorful. Let's get started. We're using 1 pound of flank steak for this recipe. Start by cutting the flank steak into thin strips, just like that. Transfer the cut up steak into a mixing bowl. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic to the meat, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, half teaspoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Once everything is mixed in, cover up the bowl, then set the meat aside to marinate for at least 15 minutes. While the steak is marinating, heat up a pan over medium-high heat. Drizzle in about a tablespoon of olive oil. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Give it a quick whisk, then pour it into the pan. Scramble the eggs and allow them to cook. Once the eggs have cooked, remove them from the pan and set them aside for later. Next, add some more oil to the pan. As soon as the oil gets very hot and smoky, add the marinated meat. Arrange the meat into a single layer, then cook it on one side for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Then you're going to turn the meat over and let it cook on the other side for another 1.5 to 2 minutes. All of that brownness on the meat will add so much flavor to the fried rice. Once the meat has finished cooking, we're going to transfer it onto a plate, then set aside for later. Next, add some more olive oil to the pan, and then we're going to saute some vegetables. Off camera, I diced 1 medium onion and 4 spring onions. Throw the diced onion into the pan, and then we're going to cook only the white part of the spring onion, so throw that into the pan too. We'll cook the green part later, so go ahead and set that aside. Saute the onions on medium-high heat for about a minute. Then we're going to add some cooked rice. This is some leftover rice that I just brought out of the fridge. I am adding about 2 cups to the sauteed onions. Go ahead and mix everything together and saute the rice and onions for about a minute on medium-high. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, mix everything together and saute for another 1 minute. Next, add the cooked steak and the eggs. Stir fry the rice and meat for about a minute or 2. And then we're going to finish everything off by adding the green part of the spring onions. Stir fry for 30 more seconds and we are done. Food is ready to be served. This steak fried rice recipe came out so flavorful. The steak is very tender and delicious. Paired with the rice and eggs, this makes such a delicious meal. If you guys would like to try this steak fried rice recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.